Oblique tongue reversing. Installation of lock body. External handle reversing. Use the same way to reverse the inner handle. Install the connecting column on the outer panel first. Install the handle square steel. Note that the arrow should point towards the handle. Connect the wire. Install the inner and outer panels. Indoor functional testing. Installing rubber plugs. Install battery. After installing the battery, the screen flashes alternately in red and blue, and emits a sound. Install battery cover. After installation, check with the key. Using engineering cards for inspection.